If you want to enable Google Lens in Chrome, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to turn on the Google Lens toolbar shortcut on desktop, and I'll also show you the built-in ways you can use Google Lens even if you don't want an extra icon on your browser. This is a great feature if you often search by image, identify objects, copy text from screenshots, or quickly look up something you see on a web page. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Chrome tips and software how-to guides. Let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your desktop and open a new tab. This step is important because the Chrome customization options are easiest to access from a fresh tab. Once the new tab is open, look down to the bottom right corner of the browser window and click the Customize Chrome button. Depending on your version of Chrome, this may look like a pencil icon or a slider style icon. After you click it, a customization panel will appear on the right side of the screen. From here, navigate to the Toolbar settings area. This is where Chrome lets you control which shortcuts and tools appear at the top of your browser. Now scroll down until you find the option that says, Search this tab with Google Lens. You should see it listed under Tools and Actions. When you find it, switch the toggle on. As soon as you enable it, Chrome will add the Google Lens camera shortcut to your top toolbar. This means you can access Lens much faster without digging through menus every time. If you use Google Lens often, this is the easiest setup because the shortcut stays visible right in your browser. Now, if you don't want an extra icon on your toolbar, that's completely fine because Google Lens is already built into Chrome in a few different ways. The first built-in access point is the three-dot menu. Just click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome and then choose Search this tab with Google Lens from the menu. This gives you the same Lens functionality without adding a permanent shortcut. Another easy method is the right-click menu. If you're on a web page and see an image, photo, or even a section of text you want to explore, right-click anywhere on the page or directly on the image. Then click Search this tab with Google Lens. This is especially useful when you want to identify products, copy text from images, or find visually similar results. You can also check the address bar. Click inside your URL bar, and in many cases, you'll notice a small multicolored camera icon on the far right side. That icon is another quick way to open Google Lens in Chrome. So even if you never enable the toolbar shortcut, you still have multiple ways to use Lens whenever you need it. Once you know where these options are, using Google Lens becomes very simple. You can search what you see, translate text, identify objects, and get more context from images in just a few clicks. That's why this feature is so helpful for students, researchers, creators, and everyday users alike. If this video helped you enable Google Lens in Chrome, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.